Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1960 Chevy Impala. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here, and paint is in excellent condition. I wanted to start off in the back where you can see the famous flattened seagull, spread wing, rear fins. Just absolutely iconic of the early 60s, where GM was and Chevrolet was at the height of the design in the muscle car era. Again, this 1960 Impala at Teal with Teal Houndstooth, just an absolutely stunning vehicle. You can see the chrome wheels, four-wheel disc. We'll get to the particulars, but as we walk around the car, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic, classic cars. The other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European vehicles. But back to this absolutely stunning 1960 Chevy Impala. Chrome is in absolutely fantastic condition. Paint is in excellent condition. If you're not in Florida or Sarasota, obviously, and you have an interest in this car or anything else you may see on the website, please don't hesitate to give us a call or still view it on the website. We are a full service dealership, so we do offer shipping worldwide. We also have finance options. Last year we shipped to over 19 different US states and 9 countries around the world. We do have several classic car lenders that we work with to make sure everyone gets the dream car that they're looking for. If you have finance needs or just want to finance and keep some cash on hand. Back to this 1960 Chevy Impala. Again, if you have shipping needs, finance needs, give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If I'm going too fast with the video, we have over 100 pictures of the car, any of our cars online. They're outside in a little bit better of light. You will see the underside along with interior. But as we look at this 1960 Impala, engine bay is in excellent condition. It's got 348 V8. You can see the air conditioning, power brakes. As I mentioned, it does have disc brakes, power steering, old time overflow. That may be window wash fluid there, but it's got the bottle as they would do in old school. Again, just a beautiful vehicle here. We will go ahead and connect the battery, so keep everything disconnected while it's inside. Show you that it is a cold start. Grab the headers here. As you'll see down there, it does have tubular upper control arms. As I mentioned, power steering, power brakes. Just a beautiful vehicle. As we go to get inside, make sure you don't hit the door. See the Teal Houndstooth split bench seat belts. As I mentioned, it does have AC. Get the key in correctly. You can hear the fan, and it does have a push start. Again, starts right up. It does have a aftermarket radio, Alpine radio. Just a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Let it warm up before we too high, but let you hear the exhaust back here. Again, this is just a beautiful vehicle from head to toe. Exhaust sounds fantastic. See the chrome on the seagull fins. Go with the chrome wheels. Chrome's in excellent condition, as well as the paint. Very well done vehicle here for this 1960 Chevy Impala. It's 348 V8, sounds fantastic. Again, no knocking, no ticking. Rev it up just a little bit here. Sounds great. As I mentioned, it does have an electric fan just to keep it cool. And the fan does have a switch. We do have it on, but again, if you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, there's nothing that really says 1960s more than this iconic 1960 Impala. Again, it's got the classic fins on the back. 3 lights, just an absolutely stunning vehicle. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, and we appreciate you joining in. Thank you.